In Jamaica, we have 14 parishes, one of which is named Trelawny. In Trelawny, there is a community called Wait a Bit. Do you know how Wait a Bit got its name? Before I continue, let me say this. Jamaican history is brutal, and we can't take shortcuts to avoid saying certain things just because they might offend someone. History is history and must be told as it is. Also, AI cannot replace textbooks. History books written by Jamaican historians, used as textbooks in Jamaica, are the best choice. Now let's continue. In the 16th century, during the transatlantic slave trade, African slaves were forcibly transported to Jamaica. When the Europeans purchased these slaves from the Africans would also offer gifts, something from their homeland, be it fruits, plants, or other items. On one of these journeys, the Europeans received a small tree known as the Wait a Bit thorn, also called the Wait a Minute tree, or Wait a Bit plant. In Jamaica, we called it maca tree or maca. Now, why the name Wait a Bit? The Wait a Bit thorn is covered in numerous thorns along its stems and other parts. When someone brushes against it, these thorns catch onto clothing or skin, causing a momentary pause. Wait a minute, as they carefully remove the thorns to avoid injury. Upon arrival in Jamaica, this tree was planted in a section of Trelawny, and the area became known as Wait a Bit. So the name reflects both the tree's prickly nature and the pause it induces when encountered.